Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join Foodpanda loyalty program. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, and guys, you just need to go and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that guys, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to know how to do it. So guys, when you did that, you just need to go and then guys just check out whatever you have in front of you. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have your address, we have your search bar, and in the bottom we have your home, shops, search, and account options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join the Foodpanda loyalty program. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. Basically guys, what you need to do is click on the account, which is the fourth tab on the bottom. After that, you guys need to go and get Panda rewards. So as you can see, we have perks for you, where you have become a pro, vouchers, Panda rewards, and invite friends. You just need to go and click on Panda rewards. Here guys, you need to go and earn these points, earn badges, as you can see, and get vouchers, and that's how you can go and join the loyalty program. So as much as points you have, and you have the more chances to join the loyalty program and be one of those. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.